Building an aircraft carrier is humanity's most complex feat, requiring years of planning and billions in total investment dollars. It begins with advanced naval architecture software, where thousands of engineers design every single pipe and electrical wire circuit. Once the blueprint is approved, the shipyard orders millions of tons of high-grade specialized steel from domestic industrial foundries. Huge automated plasma cutters slice through massive steel plates with laser precision, creating the basic building blocks of the hull. These pieces are welded together into smaller subunits, then joined to form massive blocks weighing several hundred metric tons each. The assembly takes place in a dry dock, one of the few facilities on Earth large enough to hold it. Giant gantry cranes, some of the tallest in the world, lift these massive steel sections into their exact final positions. Each block is welded to the next using specialized techniques to ensure the hull is completely watertight and structurally sound. Deep inside the hull, the propulsion system is installed, featuring massive nuclear reactors or heavy-duty gas turbine engine units. Miles of copper wiring are snaked through the ship's skeleton, powering everything from radar systems to the galley's ovens. The fuel tanks and water filtration systems are integrated next, allowing the ship to operate independently for many months. As the hull rises, the hangar deck is constructed, providing a massive protected space for aircraft maintenance and storage. The flight deck, the ship's most iconic feature, is laid down with specialized steel capable of withstanding heavy jet landings. Precision engineering is required for the catapult systems, which will launch heavy fighter jets into the air in seconds. Arresting gear cables are installed at the stern, designed to catch landing planes and bring them to a complete stop. The island, the ship's command center, is lifted onto the deck, housing the bridge and advanced flight control towers. Radars and sensors are mounted atop the island, providing a 360-degree view of the surrounding airspace and ocean. Defensive weapon systems, including surface-to-air missiles and close-in weapon stations, are positioned around the perimeter for total protection. Interior outfitting begins, with workers installing living quarters, mess halls, and medical facilities for thousands of crew members. The ship's plumbing and ventilation systems are completed, ensuring a habitable environment even in the most extreme sea conditions. Every weld is X-rayed, and every pipe is pressure tested to ensure there are no defects in the ship's construction. Protective coatings and specialized paint are applied to the hull to prevent corrosion from the harsh, salty maritime environment. The dry dock is slowly flooded with water for the first time, testing the ship's buoyancy and hull integrity. Once floating, the ship is moved to a fitting-out pier where final equipment installations and system calibrations take place. The nuclear reactors are fueled and tested, a process handled by elite technicians under the strictest safety protocols imaginable. Onboard computer systems are brought online, integrating the ship's navigation, communication, and various complex weapon control networks. Sea trials begin, where the ship is pushed to its limits in open water to test speed and maneuverability. Engineers monitor every vibration and noise, ensuring the vessel meets the demanding specifications of the modern naval fleet. Aviation teams arrive to test the flight deck systems, performing the first successful launches and recoveries of naval aircraft. The crew undergoes intensive training, learning to operate every piece of machinery on this floating city with expert precision. Logistics systems are tested, ensuring the ship can be resupplied at sea with food, fuel, and vital munitions. Damage control drills are conducted, preparing the crew to handle fires, leaks, or any other emergencies during active combat. Final inspections are performed by naval authorities to certify the ship is fully ready for deployment and active service. The aircraft carrier is officially commissioned into the fleet, marked by a grand ceremony celebrating years of hard work. It now stands as a symbol of national power, capable of projecting air strength anywhere across the world's oceans. The total cost of over $1 billion reflects the immense technological and industrial effort required for such scale. This massive vessel will serve for over 50 years, protecting trade routes and providing a base for global operations. Witnessing the birth of a supercarrier is a testament to human engineering and the sheer scale of modern industrial production.